In this week's video, we head to Jacksonville area and explore the small town of Starke. Afterwards, we head to Retro Renos. This company specializes in upgrades and repairs to fiberglass RVs. While there, we meet the owners, get a tour of their shop, and hear about their exclusive partnership with Escape Trailers. Next, we check out the small town of St. Mark's on the Florida Panhandle. Stay tuned for all of that and more. We're starting this week off at the Starke Gainesville KOA. This will be our home base as we go out on adventures in the surrounding area. We just got settled into our new campsite here in Starke, Gainesville, and it's kind of neat to be back because we were here as one of our first campgrounds about 2 years ago with a casita. So how times have changed, but how they've really stayed the same. Excited to be back and check out this area in this park. And tomorrow we're going to head over to Retro Renos to do some Escape Trailer tours and to learn all about their business. Since it's so warm here, I think before I do anything else, I'm going to jump into this beautiful pool behind me for a nice swim to cool down, and then we'll see where the day takes us. Time to head out from this KOA and go for a little bike ride into the town of Starke. Starke is a small town located southwest of Jacksonville, Florida. We're starting our exploration in the historic Cull Street district, which encompasses about 23 historic buildings and is the primary center for the area's restaurants and entertainment. Starke's population is just under 6,000, and it was established in the mid-1800s as a midpoint for a new rail line that ran from one coast of Florida to the other. The community is known for its southern charm, but with little to drive the economy here, there's plenty of signs of poverty as you travel through the town. The next day we headed to Retro Renos. Located in Jacksonville, Florida, they specialize in upgrades and repairs to fiberglass RVs. So tell me a little bit about this project that you're working on.
So yeah, this is a 1976 Scamp. We've completely gutted everything out of it. We have put a whole new subfloor inside. We've also put a new axle on, a new paint job. As you can see, needs a little bit of a wash since it's been painted, but it's getting all new electrical, all new lights, all new USB ports, AC, the whole 9 yards.
We were excited to get a chance to meet the owners, tour their shop, and hear all about the projects that they've been working on. And as we're walking here, we can see some of the Escape trailers that you currently have in the lot. And are these waiting for the owners to pick up, or?
So it's a little bit of everything, right? We've got, at any given time, we roughly have about, anywhere between 5 to 10 Escape trailers on the lot. Sometimes.
Retro Renos is the only sales representative for Escape travel trailers in the United States. As enthusiastic Escape RV owners, this was really interesting for us, and we got a chance to tour quite a few different Escape trailers, including the newest 23-foot Escape with the twin beds. I'll be posting much more detailed videos that provide a tour of this RV and also give you more insight into what we did and saw while we were at Retro Renos, so stay tuned for that. On our way back to the campground, we had a stone hit the windshield, and it caused a pretty big chip. We were worried that it was going to spread, so we looked up the nearest windshield repair shop. Auto Glass Assist was the closest to us, and boy are we lucky we ended up there. This is a family-owned business, and their service was amazing. At first, because of the size of the chip, they weren't sure if they could fix it. But upon careful examination, they told us they would give it a shot. They were meticulous with their work, and within 20 minutes it was all fixed and at a very reasonable price. Well, before we head out this morning, our pressure regulator stopped working, so I'm gonna go bike down the street. Luckily there's a Walmart nearby. Pick that up. Luckily it's only $10 to replace them. These things do fail every once in a while. And then we'll have one and be in good shape before we get to our next municipal park. Just like that, got a new pressure regulator. Nice short bike ride, actually only took about 2 minutes from the campground, so now I can head back and pack up. The best part about having our RV set up for boondocking is that even when we're traveling between campgrounds, we can stop and prepare food. Today, it was a protein smoothie, and it was delicious. Today we're settling into Newport Campground. This is a campground located on the Florida Panhandle, about an hour away from Tallahassee. This was the perfect overnight stop on our way to our next destination. We just got settled into the Newport Campground and Park, located in Wakulla. And there's this nice little boardwalk that leads you out to the nearby river. Good little observation area here. Later that day, we hopped on our bikes to take the 10-mile round-trip journey to the town of St. Mark's. St. Mark's is considered one of the oldest settlements in North America, with its origins dating back to the 17th century, when the Spanish established a fort in the area. Located on the St. Mark's River, which connects into the Gulf of Mexico, this is a popular destination for fishing and boating enthusiasts, and was certainly worth the 10-mile bike ride for us to take in the sights. Next week, we head to the beautiful St. Andrews State Park located in Panama City Beach, Florida. While there, we take in everything the Emerald Coast has to offer, so I hope you come back for that and more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It really does help us out. And don't forget to come back tomorrow to see where we go next.